What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Offset Fan. This should be fun.
Reporting live from the north, we are here at the aftermath of a riot.
I don't know what the fuck going on. It's a riot.
Girl, you tried to break my heart. Did it make you happy? Did it make you happy?
Okay, listen.
Guys, can you find another girl?
I was about to say good choice.
No, it is a good choice, but find another girl.
Why?
I mean, come on. She's becoming a veteran in this space of young and hot. It's like, it's getting old.
No, she's only been like, what, 2 music videos?
No, I'm not talking about
The other
videos.
one
I'm
is
talking
Naz's-
generally on screen. I'm
Oh,
just
yeah,
talking, like, she has been like the young hot girl, like forever.
It's her fault. She's been hot for the longest time.
Hey man, somebody better marry her up and give her a couple of kids.
I
What do you mean, kids?
just don't think this is working out.
Now I'm over it.
How long you been feeling like this?
Thank God I'm over it. Thank God. Tired of
It's crazy how they could actually be the same age, actually.
Who, them?
Yeah.
Why is that crazy?
No, cause thing is this thing like sometimes
She's a child star.
a child star, like you kind of forget that they old.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Okay,
It's
okay.
like that girl from the Bernie Mac show,
And Kiki Palmer.
the youngest one. Like she even has a child now, but it's like, huh?
stressing about what I can't control. I think I'm better on my own. I kicked all the fuck niggas out my circle. I don't know how this shit feel, it really hurt you. But I'm national, they never gon' know. Word to my mama, she ain't never ain't no hoe. My heart ain't racing, it's barely beating slow. If they won't smoke, if I see them, it's a go. Fuck that nigga, fuck that bitch. Fuck everybody, cause you know they gon' switch. All the niggas and the bitches, everybody. Fuck the niggas and them bitches, everybody. Fuck the niggas and them bitches, everybody. All the niggas and them bitches. Baby, we just fucking, this is not no love at first sight. I can't take you serious, I fucked you on the first night. Had that thing squirting, pussy popping like.
I'm glad that,
I see the inspiration. Thriller.
yeah, but I'm glad that like he's really like branching off, like beyond of what you'd know Migos to do and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like he's just growing as an artist. But what I will say is this sounds and looks exactly like what Travis Scott would do. The sound, the video, everything. It's so Travis Scott like.
Baby, we just fucking, this is not no love at first sight. I can't take you
Even the
serious.
cadence. Maybe
Yeah,
we know
yeah.
that maybe it's so Travis Scott like.
Baby, we just fucking, this is not no love at first sight. I can't take you serious, I fucked you on the first night. Had that thing squirting, pussy popping like a perk, right? Said I broke your heart and hurt your feelings, it ain't work, right?
I like how they introduced Thriller into this. Jesus Christ.
Man, she's so hot. She is.
Girl, fuck that nigga, he ain't bout shit. You can be my engineer, shout it how you bounce it. Promise if you suck it, baby, I can make your mouth rich. Put pearls on your neck, I bet I make it match your outfit. Keep it low, don't
He looks way better like this.
Oh, with the green.
put pearls on
Let's keep him. Can we keep him?
your neck, I bet I make it match your outfit. Keep it low, don't you announce it. Quick to cut you off, nigga, I ain't with the nonsense. Fucking it out the mud, bitch, I had to move a mountain. Diamonds on my neck, that shit pure water like a fountain.
What is this, Inception? This nigga keeps waking up from
That's what I'm
different
thinking. I'm
madness.
like, you're dreaming about dreaming.
Jeez.
Because it's like he's sleeping in his dream. I've never dreamt something like that. Then I was sleeping in my dream.
Yeah, he's been watching a lot of Inception.
Pure water Yeah, I'm taking your bitch, I take her for ransom. She lying, she telling me that it ain't even my money, she said that I'm handsome. She hopping the wheel, she throwing that ass, she throwing that shit like a tantrum. I'm pulling her hair, she don't even care, she want me to bust like a handgun. I turn this to my favorite stripper, cause I'm that nigga. My watch worth 6 figures, my bank bigger. She want me fuck the best friend and the big sister. I been her up, we playing Twister, and then I kick her out the crib and now
Hey, let's go, boy. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm finished, go figure. I just popped the E-pizza, my blunt litter. I had way too much scissor in my liver. I keep me two freaky bitches, they both scissor.
I don't know. I'm too much of a. I pay too much attention to lyrics. It's kind of like the best thing and worst thing. The worst thing these rappers do, in my opinion, is rap about generic shit where it's either they are lying or cheating on their wives. That's the worst thing, because it's like
Or both.
life is so like there's so much you can rap about. You're still rapping about fucking bitches, but yet you're on your knees on the stage apologizing for cheating. It's like, oh, come on.
My watch worth 6 figures, my bank bigger. She want me fuck the best friend and the big sister. I been her up, we playing Twister, and then I kick her out the crib when I'm finished. Go figure. I just popped the E-pizza, my blunt litter. I had way too much scissor in my liver. I keep me two freaky bitches, they both scissor.
I forgot this guy can dance.
Oh, he used to be a backup dancer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. Is that Quavo?
No.
I thought it was the guy that woke him up. Do you see him? With the dreads.
No. It's Kai's an art.
Okay, I don't know. Oh, Kai.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, guys, there was
Offset
fan.
Yeah, I would say it seems as if Offset probably was or is the most artistic one out of the three Migos.
Oh, let's stop comparing them. I think we should
It's
stop.
impossible not to.
We should stop.
I'm not comparing them in terms of like who is better, but
mean-
I'm looking at like,
We can compare him to Quavo, fine.
yes, that's what I'm saying. But I'm saying like from what you know Migos as,
Yeah.
than what Quavo is doing right now. Quavo is still pretty much in the same type of thing,
Quavo, yeah.
right? But then that's what like as I said in the beginning, like
Quavo
he's,
is not diverse. Like, we shouldn't. That's his biggest problem.
that's what I'm saying. It's like it seems as if Offset is more artistic, sonically, visuals, everything. That's what I mean.
And he directed this.
Yeah.
Which is weird because Quavo was the one who was directing Migos music videos.
Yeah, with dabs and
Which is
stuff.
crazy.
So, hey, man, it's weird. I think Offset has more value as a solo artist. I genuinely believe that, and it's just gonna happen in due time. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and suggest any other video you'd like us to react to. We will do so and give you a shout out when we react to that video. Otherwise,